This is derivative 6 examples, and I'm just going to work through some trig examples for you. First one would be y equals x minus 3 sine x. Notice that we have the addition here, or the subtraction here, sorry. Then we have the multiplying by constant, and then we have our trig function right here. So just realize that everything we've done before, just the same. You just have to work it through just like before. Y prime is equal to 1 minus 3 cosine of x. That one's more simple. Let's do a product rule on y equals x times sine of x. So f equals x, f prime equals 1, g equals sine x, g prime equals cosine of x. Then you just work it out. Y prime is equal to sine x times 1 plus x cosine x. Pretty simple. Just takes time, just takes familiarity, and just hold to that system of how you're solving your problems, because some of these trig functions can make problems look really messy. Let's do another one. Y equals x cubed times cosine x. F equals x cubed, f prime equals 3x squared, g equals cosine x, g prime is equal to negative sine x. Well, just work it out again, right? Prime is equal to 3x squared cosine x plus x cubed negative sine x. I'm just going to let you simplify things out from now on. Let's do this one. Y equals 1 plus sine x all over x plus cosine x. Sure, that looks like it could be messy. Well, remember, you could use the quotient rule in this instance, right? So f equals 1 plus sine x. F prime is equal to, what does that equal? Cosine x. G is equal to x plus cosine x. G prime is equal to 1 minus sine x. Well, you can just punch this through in the quotient rule if you feel like it. I'm going to drop down here. Y prime is equal to, that will equal x plus cosine x minus 1 minus sine x and 1 plus sine x. Sorry if I veered off the page there. All over what we would call g squared, right? So that's just x plus cosine x squared. Just algebra at this point to solve that. And I mean, you get the concept. This stuff just looks messy, but it's not that bad. It just looks really messy because no one knows, like, oh, what is secant, what is tan. And I mean, if you're not familiar with that, we can just touch on trigonometry in another lesson. Just look that up. I'm sure I've done one by now. But let's see, if f equals secant x, so your f prime, all you do is you just look at what these are and you systematically break them down, just like we were doing before. So then we have g is equal to tan x, g prime is equal to secant squared x. You do the nice breakdown once again. I'll do it down here. Y prime equals secant x tan squared x, right? Because we just have to multiply them together, minus secant squared x all over tan squared x. You can try and simplify it out, or you can just kind of, however your professor or whoever you're trying to please, however they like it. Most teachers will accept it this way. It's correct. There's no way of denying that it's correct, but sometimes they like it in a simple format. So that's just to make their job easier, no matter what they say. But it's algebra beyond this point, so I'll let you guys take over. You have a good one.